DVDs that use a single dumbbell, not just a dumbbell, which is where this move is from. We've got only one, which is another one that's a shallow water workout with just one dumbbell. And I've also got deep to the core, which is a deep water class with one dumbbell. And oh my goodness, that's challenging. So check them out. They're all available on Vimeo if you prefer to download, or you can purchase your hard copy through my website. On to the Aqua tip. Alright, so this week's Aqua tip, we're doing a cross kick with a single dumbbell across the body. So ideally you'd be able to place both hands in the center of the dumbbell, because doing it with your hands on the phone, you just have to work so much harder with your fingers because you're constantly changing direction in the water with the dumbbell. So this is much easier, much kinder on your hands if you've got the ability to do that. Otherwise, hands on the phone is all you've got, and that's what you do. So we're crossing the leg over and kicking out to the side. So over, out, over, out. So the way I teach it to my class is I say push your dumbbell to this corner, push your dumbbell to that corner, so they get that full crossover and that beautiful rotation through the torso. The other thing that's really important is that they think about kicking with their heel, 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 heel. Turn the head so that they're facing the direction that the dumbbell is going in and not looking at where their foot is at. Very common. And that will slow you down. It will make it feel awkward. And I don't think it's great for the neck, really. It's not that it's dangerous, it's just uncomfortable. So make sure that you tell them to focus their attention on the dumbbell and where it's going. You also want to be hopping on the other leg, and that's where the cardio aspect comes in. Of course, you can do a little bit more strength work by keeping that foot down, but it's either foot down or a big hop. And for those people who do it in the middle, so just do a little hop, it actually decreases the intensity. So it's neither cardio or strength, it's sort of something in the middle. And that's okay if they want a moderate class. They want a moderate result and moderate fitness. Choose, you know, you can make a choice, right? So for those people who want to go for it, then hopping up as high as they can with the other leg, and demonstrate that if it's possible by the side of the pool, so they're lifting their knee up towards their body as they're performing that kicking action. So great cardio exercise. There's certainly some abdominal rotational work there, and you've got that inner thigh activating as well. That's this week's Aqua tip. Okay, demonstrating the cross kick. So remember when I was in the pool, I suggested that this is probably the best position for your hands. So if you can get a dumbbell, or if you do use dumbbells when the handles are long enough, then go for this position. Alternatively, you might just have to resort to this. So we're crossing and kicking out to the side, over and out, over and out. Now, remember the cues. Push the dumbbell to the corners, and you want to drive the heel across and drive the heel out. So, show the full picture first, what the whole exercise looks like to the best of your ability. Okay, with this exercise you can show the whole thing. Then, identify different parts of the body movement that you want to highlight to your class and talk about where the position of the rest of the body is going to be. So, for example, this is how I break it down. Okay, cross kick, take the foot across your body, push the dumbbell out to either side. Make sure you're driving that dumbbell to the water and aim to get the heel over and aim to get the heel out. You should feel this in your inner thigh. So, it's about demonstrating the whole movement, breaking it down to parts, focusing on different body parts that are relevant for that particular exercise, which only you will know by having had your own previous experience in the water racing notes. And then focus on where the muscles are going to be, what muscles they're going to feel, generally speaking. So, is it going to get their heart rate up? Is it going to be something that they have to work with stability? Is it going to challenge their balance? All those sorts of tips help them achieve what you want them to get in the water. So, when you're on land for a lengthy period of time, your appreciation of what's happening And I talk about this as an instructor with almost 30 years of teaching experience with water. I've got to revisit that environment on a regular basis, and I'm talking weekly, because I forget how different exercises feel. Yes, my notes are detailed, but I still want to remember the feeling of it. And when you're teaching water, that's what you need to do. So, cross kick, not a challenging exercise to demonstrate on land, just focus on the components, and that's this week's aptitude.